So you want to upload a video on YouTube. I'm Darwin from Channel Hero, and in this video, I'll demonstrate how I post my videos on YouTube, add a title, a thumbnail, tags, and then make the video public. Before you hit that publish button, remember, your video needs to be dressed to impress. So make sure you've got your title set, thumbnail uploaded, and if you need some help creating thumbnails, lucky for you, I've already made a video for that. Just click on the card above. Are you looking to supercharge your video's visibility? Having a long description is like rocket fuel for the YouTube algorithm. And a good description that further explains what the video is about without giving it away. This space is also a place for people to connect with you on social media. Affiliate links, and also suggesting other videos that viewers may want to watch next. If you scroll down a bit further, you will see a place for tags. Think of what keywords you put in the video and title and place it here as well. Your video is a hidden gem waiting to shine, and now it's time to unveil it to the world. But first, if you want to keep viewers on your channel, think of another video of yours or another creator they want to watch next by using the end screens. If you do not have an idea, just select video best for viewer, and YouTube will select one for you. Click save. You can also add a card in the middle of the video to reference. For example, something related to your video. Click save, and now you're ready to publish your video. You are now a YouTuber. Congratulations! I posted over hundreds of videos and never thought to share them on multiple platforms. Study the analytics so I can get better with each upload. And it made growing on YouTube very slow and frustrating. If you watch this video next by Ed from Film Booth, you can avoid that experience.